This seems like something right up my alley. I can even inquire with the ones who no longer speak for you.
Genshin Funeral Parlor. The ones who no longer speak. Oh, did she mean talking to the dead?
Lighten up. The way I see it, people make death scarier than it really is. What people truly fear about departing this world is suffering and regret. To deal with the trauma, they let their imaginations run wild with notions of ghosts and evil spirits. Oh, baseless fantasies. What we've ended up with is a topic that people are morbidly afraid of talking about. If I don't broach the subject, then Wangsheng Funeral Parlor won't be long for this world. So for ordinary folks, the best case scenario is ignorance of all matters concerning spirits in the afterlife, or even better, a belief that none of it exists.
Wangsheng Funeral Parlor specializes in demonic stuff like this. Right? Help me! I beg you! I'm too young to die!
All right, don't panic. Leave it to me. You've come to the right person. However, in order to lift the curse, we need a suitable location, and we need to make some preparations. Come with me, my trusty assistants. I'm going to need your help.
I guess I'll come too.
Help him make the preparations first. The incense exorcism, the one I taught you. I think we did everything we could to make you happy, Big G, wouldn't you say? But if you ever really do become an evil spirit and come back with more nefarious nonsense in mind, I may have to forget our friendship and give you a far less fond farewell.
I won't, I promise. I'm grateful for everything you've done for me.
See you later, Big G.
Not like that. You won't be seeing him later. Let's stick to goodbye and such.
No worries. I'll just take my leave.
Considering the kindness you have shown me, I can let you stay for the Adeptus training. Hardships are a fact of life, both for the Adepti and humans alike.
Oh heavens! Blessed be Rex Lapis! I've finally come upon the Adepti. Are all of you the Adepti of this mountain? Great! My name's Sin Chung. I came to ask for your merciful blessings, O Adepti. I beg of you, please grant me luck, wealth, and a good career.
Please grant me luck, wealth, and a good career.
Dear Pilgrim, you shouldn't jump to conclusions. Adepti don't help every pilgrim for free.
In ancient times, Liyue was a land of misery, where the shadow of evil loomed large. As slain gods festered, their vengeful wrath cursed the world, manifesting in infernal forms. When demons stirred, miasmas, monsters, and mutations infested the land. Then Rex Lapis summoned the Yakshas to vanquish the demons.
Yakshas to vanquish the demons.
They swore an oath. Restore order through slaughter, purge evil through battle. To this, we dedicate our lives. Of the 5 foremost Yakshas, death came to 3, while the 4th vanished without a trace. In the millennia since, one conqueror of demons remains the sole surviving Yaksha in the mortal realm.
This book is about the Yakshas, a group of Adepti who defend Liyue.
Meet me at the Yaksha statues after nightfall. I was purging some living beings that had been tainted by the demonic. In any case, I am on my way to purge a cavern of demonic influence. All things are impermanent, and to exist is to suffer. Evil conquer!